Hi everyone. So this is a tutorial on LTspice software. Let's start with the schematic. Click on File, then click on New Schematic. Okay. This is the workspace where we will draw the schematic and then simulate the schematic. Okay. So from the top toolbar you can see there are different options like to run the schematic, to save the schematic, and so on. So let's start with the tutorial. So we require component. So from the top toolbar, click on the component symbol. Search for voltage. Click on OK. The voltage source will be tied to your cursor. Okay. Now click on escape. Register will be tied to your cursor. Now how you will rotate this register? By clicking on Ctrl plus R from the keyboard. Okay. Okay. Let's run the schematic. Okay. So this is the voltage divider. Yes, blue one is the input, green one is the output. If I take a diode in place of it, what happens is, let's connect this. Okay, so we have done with the simulation of tutorial 1 of LTspice. So thank you.